Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering and charging the Endurance Race 2 so nothing interrupts setup. Plug the case in, make sure both buds sit flush. Once charged, press and hold each earbud for 3 seconds to force pairing mode. You need the visible LED flash. Next, try the smallest tip first, then swap until seal and comfort meet. This reduces wind noise and improves bass. Once done, place them in your ears and confirm your phone lists, JBL Endurance Race 2, before connecting. You pair quickly, but the how matters. Open Bluetooth on your device, choose the JBL Endurance Race 2 entry, and allow pairing. Once connected, test the controls, tap patterns, control playback and calls, learn left versus right mapping so you don't fumble. If one bud won't play, reseat it in the case and retry. Also, make small fit tweaks. Secure hooks keep them stable while you move, which preserves audio consistency and prevents sweat ingress from disturbing the seal. You finish by closing the loop. After use, place the earbuds back in the case and close it to stop drainage and save battery. Make a habit of wiping ear tips and meshes after workouts so sound stays clear. If connection problems persist, reset the buds by holding both buttons for about 10 seconds, then repair from scratch. Finally, keep firmware updated when prompted. This fixes bugs and improves range. If one bud remains silent, check charge status before assuming hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.